Hello, my name is Danielle Cohen and I'm an immigration and human rights lawyer with over 20 years experience. I run my firm in Camden Town, and today we will discuss the process of claiming asylum in the United Kingdom. I will take you step by step from how to claim asylum, what to expect, what you will be asked at every stage, and how the process is concluded. In order to claim asylum in the UK, you either make the asylum application upon arrival by presenting yourself to an immigration officer, or you make it in country. In order to make an asylum application in country, you call the Home Office. The process starts with a phone call. You call the Home Office, they take some basic details such as your name, your address, your contact details, and you're waiting to be invited to the screening interview. What is a screening interview? Screening interview is your very first interview and an encounter with the Home Office, where you will give your biometric data, that is your photograph and your fingerprints, and you will be asked a series of very basic questions. The questions will be your name, your address, the method of arriving in the UK, which countries you passed through, and most importantly, who are you afraid of and what is the basis of your asylum claim. After the screening interview, you will wait for the substantive interview. This is the important interview, in which you will be asked to provide detailed explanation as to why you claim asylum in the UK, who are you afraid of, why you cannot go back, and why you cannot internally relocate. Between the first interview and the second interview, there will be two forms that you need to complete. It's called one-stop notice and the questionnaire. Please make sure that you submit full details and in time. After the interview, you should be given an opportunity to provide comments as to your asylum interview, and then you will wait for the Home Office to reach a decision. So to summarize, you make a phone call, you claim asylum, you wait for the screening interview, you provide information at the screening interview, you wait for the substantial interview, in between you provide the Home Office with information by completing the forms, and then you wait for a decision on your asylum application. Now that we are aware how the process works, I would like to share with you an insight that I have about how to maximize the chances of success. It is very important that before the interview and after, the Home Office is provided with a statement that summarizes in the most concise and consistent way your history of persecution. It's important that your solicitor and yourself look at the country guidance cases and the country information as published on the Home Office website, and you'll be able to either provide evidence to support or to contradict, if the case may be, by having an independent country expert. If you suffered persecution and you have access to the medical profession or psychologist, it will be very useful if you provide this information at the earliest opportunity. It is important that any documents that you have from your country of origin are translated and verified. I like to send my clients to the interview with a bundle. In the bundle, there will be your statement, the objective evidence, your own country expert if possible, any medical evidence, photographs, and of course, any documents are translated, such as arrest warrant. If you need any further information, if I can help you in any way, please call us or arrange for a free Zoom consultation. These are free Zoom consultations with no obligations and no charge.